Hi, my name is TJ Lettner, and I work here at FORTÉ on the Learning Elevation team. Let's start with FORTÉ and who we are. So what we like to do at FORTÉ is we are here to really transform the modern workplace. So we do this through the creation of reliable systems that can scale with unmatched speed, but we also create flexible, customizable, and innovative solutions that are unique to every single customer and every single use case. So whether I'm in the corporate sector and I have a corporate office that I'm going to and meeting and collaborating and training in every day. We also serve banking and financial. We also serve customers in healthcare, retail, food and beverage, federal, education, and so much more to really reach as many customers as we possibly can. As a facilitator, I love using Reactiv SUITE. I'm constantly training, whether it's new employees, I also do leadership development and just a lot of development classes where in a company that's spread out all across the country and now even the world, we have to get to them in a hybrid or virtual environment, and Reactiv SUITE helps me do so in a way that I could never do before, right? So in the past, I would use Teams and share my screen on Teams, and you would see a little version of me in a square about this big, right? Whereas now with Reactiv, I can be a lot more interactive with participants. I love the hardware that came with this solution. So the touchscreen device actually has become it is my secondary device in my office. So I have two monitors in front of me, and this is always one of them. So it's great just as a monitor, but as an interactive training tool, it's also fantastic. I can turn this monitor in pretty much any direction with the stand that it comes in. So if I want to lay it flat to take notes and annotate more in like a notebook style, I can do that. If I want it upright, if I want it tilted, I can really move it in any direction I need to get the most out of what I'm trying to present and how I'm trying to present it. Equally, the camera, the NX 4K camera that comes with it, fantastic. This is my everyday camera. I use this for all my meetings and everything that I'm doing. It's a great high quality camera. It comes with a remote that allows me to, quickly zoom in and zoom out as much as I need to. I can move it left and I can move it right, based on where I'm trying to focus the attention. And that way, as a facilitator, I can be adjusting my camera as needed without having to stop anything and readjust any settings or reach my hand up here. I can simply do it on my remote, and the audience doesn't even necessarily need to see that as I'm doing it, right? So that's really handy as well. As a result of using Reactiv SUITE and the technology and the hardware, I've been able to make my trainings a lot more engaging. And I actually get that in the feedback. So the feedback that I see from people that we provide surveys at the end of every training, and we talk to people afterward, and they love the way that we utilize this to interact and really draw them into the content more as we're switching from talking about slides to focusing on me. They notice a difference, and I notice a difference in their engagement, where they're not just along for the ride, they're participating in the training, I think largely in part due to the software that we're using.